What's up, everyone? It's James from Jeep and Adventure. So today we're going to do a little walk around of the Puddle jumper. That is the name of my awesome Jeep, and show you kind of what I'm working with. So here we go. Alright, let's start up front here with 35-inch trail grapplers from Nitto, and I got a 3.5-inch rock crawler X Factor underneath. Yeah, ride's really good. I'm enjoying it. Of course, got a Smittybilt mod front bumper, worn winch with some epic hooks and shackles. Got some cheap LEDs off Amazon. These things are super bright. I'm enjoying them way better than the stock ones. Eventually I'll upgrade, but for now that's what I'm gonna keep. I also I got Arctic inner fenders. This right here is actually pre-lift. Kind of had some rubbing issues, obviously, but not a big deal. Got XRC fenders. Got some rigid pod lights. These have the amber backlighting. My headlights are also amber. Let's see what else. Got these rock rails. You can tell they've actually taken a beating. I'm really surprised with these. A lot of people told me that I shouldn't have got them, and I will eventually upgrade to some weld-on design or something like that. But for the most part, I mean, they've done their job, so I really can't complain. They've taken a nice beating. Alright, so we've got an Evo tailgate. It's held up very nicely. If you check out my Instagram, you can see I even sat on the tire in a great photo shoot. There is my Instagram. Yeah, go check it out. It's pretty funny. It's a great little comic photo shoot we did. Got the great Boston Bruins flag. That's pretty important. Then got a Evo rear fascia with the D-rings and little baby shackles. Kind of a funny little backstory on this, but they're nice little baby shackles. Not something I'm actually going to use if I'm going to get towed out, but kind of more of a joke. And then got this awesome reflective sticker. Oh yeah, send them my way. But yeah, that's the outside of the Jeep. Nothing special. We still got a lot of mods that we got to get together, and it's gonna get built over time. I'm a dad with 2 kids, so that can be a little hard at times. This is my interior. Got the seat delete. Cut down on weight. And we got my control panel up here. So far, these are the only 2 I got. I got rock lights, and then of course my pods over here, which are pretty good. Got a CB. This thing's pretty awesome. Sorry, excuse me, guys. It works good out on the trails. I do have to rerun a wire though from this back to my antenna in the rear. I actually broke it off last time we were out there. Gotta fix that. Got these handles. These are actually handmade from my father-in-law. Pretty awesome. He hooked me up with those, and I love them. Obviously the kids use them all the time, so that's good. And then above me, I have my shade top. Yeah, it's pretty dirty in here. Haven't really had a chance to clean out the interior from the last time we went off-road, but it is what it is. Got the awesome kid seat back there, and they're old enough to not have these anymore, but since we take the doors and tops off, we want them to make sure they're secure and not gonna be moving around like in a booster seat, so they're nice to have. And then I can show y'all one last thing. It's one of my favorite things on this Jeep. It's made camping and and grocery getting and all that, so much better. That is this diabolical box. Obviously you can tell it has been used. It's been used non-stop. It's fantastic. If you want to open it, it's really easy to open. You just got some pins you gotta take off, and this whole thing, excuse me, sorry with the video, opens up so you can have access. But yeah, I mean, it's great. You gotta check them out. It's diabolical and pretty sweet. Obviously I got tools and all that crap. I haven't even cleaned out this yet. I've just been too busy working. But yeah, that's my Jeep. Hopefully you're following me on Instagram. If not, go check it out. It's always good fun. I try to have some fun with it. But other than that, you know, I mean, just another great day here in Virginia. It's finally sunny. No more cold weather. Got it. Check this awesome sticker out. One day I'll have it. We're not sure when. Do some. Let's see, as you can tell, this side hasn't really been scraped up as much. And then got my nice skid plate light right there. I actually need to move that up more. The weather has been terrible, so I haven't moved it up yet. But for now, it's been holding on. All right. Hopefully you like this video. Walk around. I'm going to do some breakdowns on some more stuff probably if you want to see some more. Just make sure to comment. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see y'all again.